Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make candied carrots. First, choose about 1 pound of fresh, firm carrots. You'll also need a few simple ingredients: some butter, brown sugar, and a little water. This recipe is straightforward and delivers delicious results, perfect for any meal. We'll cover each step to ensure your candied carrots are tender, sweet, and beautifully glazed. Now, let's get those carrots ready. Begin by peeling about 1 pound of fresh carrots and trimming off both ends. For consistent cooking, cut them into uniform pieces, roughly 2 inches in length. If you have thicker carrots, slicing them lengthwise first will help them cook evenly and absorb the glaze beautifully. This preparation ensures every bite is perfectly tender. Next, we'll create that irresistible sweet glaze. In a large skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Once melted, add 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Stir these ingredients together continuously until the brown sugar completely dissolves, forming a smooth, syrupy base for our carrots. This glaze is the heart of our candied carrots. Now it's time to cook our carrots to perfection. Carefully add your prepared carrots to the simmering glaze in the skillet. Cook them for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are tender crisp. Finally, increase the heat slightly to allow the glaze to reduce and thicken, beautifully coating each carrot piece. Serve them warm and enjoy your perfectly candied carrots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.